Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning body and mind. Move now with a brisk 30-45-minute mobility circuit that targets hips, shoulders, and spine so you can pivot and absorb force. Once done, sit for a 10-minute breath count meditation, 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out, to build calm reflexes and better decision speed. Also make sure your meals support training. Aim for 2 to 1. 6 grams of protein per kilogram body weight to repair muscle. This foundation lets the next steps land safely and powerfully. You now build practical Kung Fu skills by rehearsing core strikes, blocks and stances 3 times a week with short, focused drills that reinforce motor patterns. This repetition creates reliable reactions under stress. Once comfortable, layer in footwork. Pivot, shuffle, and lunge patterns practiced with cones or marks to improve angles and balance. Then combine these elements into a short animal-inspired form, breaking it into 6 to 8 count segments, so you can refine timing and power, but you finish by fusing technique into flow. Run continuous 3 to 5 minute sequences that link stance, strike, and footwork so transitions become effortless and expressive. Once you can flow, add controlled sparring, 2 rounds of light contact, where timing and distance matter more than force. This teaches resilience and creativity. If progress stalls, film a session and compare to your reference, then fix one key habit at a time. Changing a single habit yields faster, more stable gains than chasing everything at once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.